Alright, there's the drive-through. I went in to place my order, and my order was a small pumpkin pie blizzard. This is Dairy Queen in Edmonds, Washington State, 212th Street. I've been here before for a banana split, and so I got pumpkin pie blizzard, size small. There it is, all beautiful. And I'm Tanis Coralee of Seattle, and today is Weekend Wednesday, 3 September 2025. And I'm going for it. Ooh, pumpkin. Pumpkin pie flavor, yes. It's very toasty on this vehicle. My Jared Leto goes, "Take it off, stiff." In reference to my sweatshirt is the line from the Divergent series, not from Tron Legacy. He's like, "Try me, babe. Try me." I know my Tron Legacy trivia better than you. For this dining with, I brought my Brooks Revel 7 running shoes. I'm getting a brain freeze. Whoa. These grubby guys, gals, this is the second of two parts of a pick to celebrate finishing my 5.80 mile road walk run set 350 times. August 2023 to August 2025 inclusive. My total number ended up being like 380 some. Plus or minus. Something like that. But the metric is 350. This is my third pair of running shoes that I needed to get it done. You know, I would not mind with pumpkin or a year-round flavor. I've done that. Eaten canned pumpkin in August. It's the Native American in me. "101, Mr. Jared Leto. 101. Thank you for joining me in my shoots."